Hey Mum, look at me. Mum, where do you think you are right now?
I have no idea.
Do you know where we're going?
No. She's drunk. She's wild. You drunk, Mum?
When I built a hole, the sun's beating down, blame it on me.
Do you have any idea where you are?
No, we're
Excuse me.
Where's that? We've gone round in a circle.
We have.
We led you in a circle.
Okay, Mum, and your black photo.
Mum,
I'm not the surprise.
Mum, this is your brand new car.
Oh my god.
That's exciting, isn't it?
Have a look at it.
I reckon this is one of the best suns you've got in Australia. It's all open, you can open it up.
Oh my god.
Do you like it?
Demonstration.